Ladies and gents, I hope you're well. So today we're going to look at differential equations. Differential equations. Right, cool. So on a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you guys do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate that. Okay, cool. So dissolve, right? And then I've got my function, so 2 times y prime t, okay, minus yt, right? And that's equal to 4 times sine 3t. And then putting yt there as a function, and then t is an independent variable. Voila, there we are. Cool. So I'll solve another one as well, so dissolve. Right. So curly brackets. So y prime t. Right. So that's equal to yt squared. Right. And then I'm gonna have my initial condition as y0. That's equal to 1. Okay. And then type in the yt there. And then t is my independent variable. Cool. Okay, cool. So then solving another one as well. So dissolve. Right. So that's going to be so y prime t. Right, plus yt as well. And that's equal to sine t yt there, and then the t is an independent variable. Okay, and that's solving that. Then one last one, because it's just a quick one, a quick vid with Mathematica. So that'll be so dissolve. So that's 3 times yt. So y prime t, sorry. Plus 2 times yt, and that's equal to cos 2t. And then yt there, and then t is my independent variable, just to make sure that I've done it right. Okay, yeah, cool. So there we are. Yeah, so it's just a quick vid in the intro to differential equations. This is Mathematica. So yeah, so hopefully if you like what you see, guys, please do subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate that. Fantastic, and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.